So I think if we can change that mentality from job seekers to job creators, and it's easy, it's actually possible.
I think it's time we change that mindset, that economic empowerment cannot only come from employment. I love our Indian brothers. Kuka yake alianza kutengeneza plastic. Train the grandfather, train the dad is not training the son. The son is 4 years. He's already destined. He will start a plastics business.
At the age where I am, even if I wanted to start something, I have to think of the next generation, as it were, as you can see. So one of the things I've come to realize is it is important for us as Kenyan, or as African people, to ensure that you think of that continuation after you're not there.
So and thank you, people. For me to get somebody on a Saturday, I'm very selfish with my private time. To get you people come, you have given up your sleep, you've given up your market, and I don't know, visiting relatives and whatever it is, to come and spend time with us. It's not something that we take very, very seriously, and we really thank you.
Well, this workshop has opened my mind on alternative investments that can help me attain that financial independence, and one of them is real estate. Actually, I think I've been wondering about real estate and how it can give me that passive income, and I think TSAVO has created a leeway or a pathway to help me start the journey to real estate.
I've learned about how the processes of how to achieve this financial independence and how important it is to achieve this financial independence.
I've thoroughly enjoyed my time here. I actually currently work for the oil industry, and so having that opportunity to work there and just the freedom that it affords me at such a young age, I would like to now start investing early, because I think there's power in time, and I would like to continue now investing very much early as I am now.
I've learned to set aside some income for your savings, have investments in the right areas, then just minimize your spending.
Wow, it's really eye-opening. That's much what I would say. And the fact that what really stood out is the fact that you're doing it out of your passion. Like TSAVO is really like not only making profit out of selling these real estate plots and but you're really now giving back to society. I'm really impressed with your CSR.